Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is 6 Bad Clients Freelance Writers Should Avoid, Part 5. Bad clients are unfortunate realities freelance writers face. Stories circulate among writers about clients who disappear, underpay, or make endless demands. And for some, this becomes a cycle, a burnout waiting to happen. I've been there too. Take fly-by nights, for example. These clients vanish when it's time to pay. I once applied for a gig many years ago. $25 for a sample game review. Sent my work, followed up, then silence. Gone. Fly-by nights disappear with your payment. They would come up with all the reasons for not paying you. They could also be eccentric, you know. Also, a sampler and a fly-by-night could be one and the same person. But here's the thing. Bad clients don't have to be constant in your freelance writing journey. Want better clients? Number 1, know where to look. Most of them are on job platforms. Better yet, have your own website and let clients go to you. Number 2, don't sound desperately looking for a gig. Project confidence, even if you're faking it. And most importantly, number 3, specialize. A strong niche attracts the right people because you will sound like an expert in your field. Freelance writing isn't about surviving bad clients. It's about thriving with the good ones. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.